Hey guys, it's your boy, the one only Great Day, and back with day 196 StarCraft opening. So let's see what we got.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 coins.
Rare.
2 rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Finishing the rare. And 50 coins again. So, okay. We have a jackpot. It's power points, but still a jackpot. A daily freebie. And then even more power points. 310 power points. And I don't believe anything has changed since yesterday. Again, there's a 5v5 wipeout. Again, let me know what you guys think of the 5v5 modes. I haven't really played them much myself. I did try them once, and they're certainly interesting. Very chaotic, which could make it more fun. Again, I think the biggest thing about the 5v5 is that you can actually play with more friends if you have other people that play the game, so that's probably the best thing about it. But again, I usually just play solo showdown myself. So without further ado, as of today, I have 666 XP doublers and 21,254 power points. Again, I just can't understand why there isn't a PowerPoint cap, and it would be great if they'd add one back. But anyway guys, let's see how far I can take this.